पोरये एंड वाळपोय आनीक म्हाका दिसता ताजे उपरांत एक प्रियोळ आसा तिका आनी भायर कित्याक दवरया तिका ह्याच बरोबर घेवया पण वील डिस्कस प्रियोल सेपरेटली 3 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पोरये वाळपोय प्रियोळ वील स्टार्ट विथ पोरये प्रताप सिंग राणे is safe. Now the interesting point is whether is what happens with Vishwajit Rane and Vishwajit Rane's influence in Poriem. We'll go to Vishwajit Rane. Is Vishwajit Rane safe? I think I don't even need to say this. Vishwajit Rane is safe. Next is Priol. And this is interesting. And Govind Gowde. What happens with Govind Gowde? We are putting Priol in 50-50. So where should Govind Gowde go to make that 50-50, 60-40? Whether there is a chance of 60-40 or it can become 40-60. Let's discuss that now. Nilesh, explain us Poriem and Valpoi first. What happened? And then we'll go to Priol in a second round of discussion. But Poriem, is Pratap Singh Rane safe as a Congress candidate? And what happens if Vishwajit Rane wants to convert that constituency into a BJP constituency?
Yeah, so I have a feeling that Poriem is a very person-specific constituency because, it's a overwhelming, very highly skewed in favor of change in government, okay? Because they would want probably any party to which Mr. Rane belongs to come to power. So that's one. And Mr. Rane has got some extraordinary and extremely skewed things for towards very good. And so as a candidate, obviously, he's safe. Poriem, again, you have a tremendous amount towards, you have a lot of this towards the, you have a balanced vote towards the change of government. You don't have anything skewed particularly. But candidate is extremely, people are very happy with the candidate. So in that sense, Poriem is looked at as a very safe thing for Vishwajit Rane. And I have a feeling that probably people are looking at it from a 50-50 point of view because they know that come what may, Mr. Vishwajit Rane would still be in power.
Valpoi?
Yeah, so that's Valpoi, sorry,
Okay,
that's Vishwajit Rane is
okay,
this, yeah. Priol. Priol, Pramod, is a very intriguing case. I mean,
so we'll go to Priol later.
We'll go to Priol later.
We'll take Saptari first and then we'll go to Priol. Manoj?
Not surprised.
Yeah.
Not surprised with the kind of results we have got. Because both constituencies, Poriem and Valpoi, are the part of Rane's fiefdom. And even if senior Rane is not quite active, Tacho presence in Poriem makes the difference. Now the question is whether senior Rane would still be interested in contesting elections given his daughter-in-law's movements in that particular constituency, door to door. But that is for the family to decide. With respect to Valpoi, we have seen agitations, we have seen total change, but then the candidate is still popular. Man, muscle, money is still there, and developmental works in terms of catering to individual families, catering to the employment requirements, development requirements. So happiness with the candidate is there, but we are not sure where this candidate is going to remain, whether it's with the BJP or with the Congress. So therefore the people are also 50-50.
No, that the enforcement directorate will see whether he remains with the BJP or whether he goes with the Congress.
How do you look at Poriem and Valpoi?
See, what happens is, as far as, we all know that these are the pocket boroughs of the Rane family. Now, interestingly, as I was saying, in Vishwajit's constituency, that is Valpoi, people are overwhelmingly for him. But I think they also are wavering to a change of government or something like that.
No, it's close. It's not
exactly
skewed.
For example, that precisely backs up what I'm saying. That Vishwajit Rane would not mind disturbing Pramod Sawant in Sankhli. What they want is Vishwajit to be the chief minister. They don't want a change of government.
You are saying Vishwajit's dilemma is reflecting abundantly in the electorate also.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely. Yes. Not dilemma, desire.
Desire. Helvis Bab, how do you look at it?
पोरये बद्दल म्हाका कांय म्हणपाचें ना. पोरये तशें सिनियर राणेन कांय म्हणूंक ना, पूण बसचो ना. पूण ताणें म्हटलां की लोकांक जाय जाल्यार आय विल टेक द डिसिजन. सो इट इज विथ द काँग्रेस एज ऑफ नाव. वायस वर्सा दोतोरान कशें आतां एडवोकेट राधारावान म्हटलां पळय हांगा साखळी बद्दल, that internal, what is simmering internally बिटवीन सांखळी एंड वाळपय एंड सांखळी ते वायस वर्सा हांगा इफेक्ट जावंक शकता वाळपयाचेर कित्याक ती गेम जाल्ली आसा दोगांचे भितर आनी ती गेम जर मातशें वाडली जाल्यार एनीथींग कॅन हॅपन इन वाळपय ऑल्सो.
गिरिराज?
I mean, as of now, the way situation is, I think I pretty much agree with the results. I mean, Mr.
Okay, then we'll go to Priol. That is interesting. Why is Priol 50-50 and what should Govind Gowde do? Nilesh?
There is a large majority which is looking out for a change of government. More than that, if you look at what is the performance of the candidate, even that people are not
Too happy.
skewed towards, like in case of Poriem or in case of Kalangut, people are saying, the candidate is very good. That's not what's happening even in Priol. However, when you get up and say that whether they want to see a change in the government, there is a large majority which is asking for a change of government. And Govind Gowde, or a sitting MLA who is part of the government at the moment, is a face of the government in Priol. So one would have to
So you
look
are
at it from
saying
that angle.
Govind Gowde is 50-50 because he is an independent MLA.
At the moment, yes.
That's very interesting. Manoj?
There is an interesting case of Priol. Priol, this particular MLA is been a performer. Govind Gowde has been a performer. Govind Gowde is popular. But problem खंय आसा तो पळया. प्रियोळाची जी माइंडसेट ताच्या पयली 10-15 वर्सां जी तयार जाल्ली ताका छेद दिवपाचें काम गोविंद गावडेन केलें. म्हणजे कशें वदळ आमी डिस्कस केल्लें तशें आय वर्सीस वी, म्हाका आनी आमकां. गोविंद गावडेचे पॉलिटिक्स आमकांचे पॉलिटिक्स आसा, वीचे पॉलिटिक्स आसा, सोशल डेव्हलपमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट, सोशल वर्क, जनरल वर्क्स, पब्लीक वर्क्स. वेरेज धवळीकराचे पयलींचे पॉलिटिक्स 10-15 वर्सां इंडिविज्युअल पॉलिटिक्स आसा, वेर वी टॉक अबाउट एम्प्लॉयमेंट, वेर वी टॉक अबाउट इंडिविज्युअल डोल्स, फॅमिलीक मदत, दीन दुबळ्यांक मदत, तांची लायटीच्या बिला पासून सगळी बिलां भरपाची. ती संवय जी आशिल्ली ती गोविंद गावडेन मोडपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. बट पीपल वॉन्ट द अर्लियर सिस्टम बॅक अँड दॅट इज द
प्रयत्न आणणार राहिलो म्हणतो तू.
That is the fallacy of the system. So Govind Gowde's good performance will not help him unless he makes a change, and now it is too late for that particular change.
Radhabab, Priol?
Priol, I'm not that familiar with Priol, except to say that in my time as MLA, it had one of Goa's better MLAs for 2 or 3 terms, Dr. Kashinath Jalvi.
See, Priol कितें आसा, Govind Gowde also represents the interests of the tribal population, huge tribal population. ताजेर overwhelming तसो प्रेशरूय आसा. आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार कितें आहा, BJPक ताणें आदार करून BJP ताका वयर सरपाक कितले दितले तोय एक प्रश्न आसा. कित्याक तांकां फायनली खंयी गेलो जाल्यार दे डू पिगीबॅक रायडींग ऑन समबडी एल्स इन सच प्लेसीस. आनी म्हणून ताका तितली उदरगत करपाक मेळ्ळ्या काय ना आय डोंट नो. आतां 50-50 जर दाखयता मे बी then he may have to tilt more towards the BJP to stabilize the thing.
No, but
Otherwise,
people are asking for change of government.
people are asking for change of government is
So
also
very
true,
interesting.
but-
So Nilesh, if Govind Gowde goes to BJP, what with the signals that he is giving off
He
late,
loses.
does that make him safe or it makes him unsafe?
Data says he goes unsafe.
He goes even unsafe. Giriraj?
I think as far as Priol is concerned, there is a little bit of confusion within the BJP cadre also, because one, Govind was not part of the party. He's an independent. He has, of course, shown abundant signs that he is ready to, finally join a party. But I think that is a decision which will be taken by the state leadership.
Okay.
So that is one aspect I feel why the cadre is in a little bit of state of confusion.
Confusion. Okay.